Hi, it's Michelle Einstein's song Birdsong. The name of this video is Why Edwin Birdsong Died. Your liver makes cholesterol for your body. You can get it from the foods you eat: butter, cheese, and milk, fruits, vegetables, and grains like oatmeal don't have any cholesterol. Vegans have no source of cholesterol. Lacto-vegetarians do. They eat no meat, no fish, no eggs, and nothing containing their essences. They do eat butter, cheese, and milk. You need a little cholesterol, not a lot. It's in meat, fish, and eggs. Too much cholesterol. Cholesterol is in every cell in the body. You need cholesterol to help your brain, skin, and other organs do their jobs. But eating too much fat and cholesterol is a bad idea. Cholesterol floats around in your blood and can get into the walls of the blood vessels. This can cause the blood vessels to get stiffer, narrower, and clogged. If the clogging gets worse over many years, it can cause a heart attack or stroke in adults. Why Edwin Birdsong died? Because when Edwin Birdsong was married to me, we ate a lacto-vegetarian diet. No meat, no fish, no eggs, and nothing containing their essences. No bad cholesterol. After our divorce, he continued not eating meat because he feared the meat inspectors did not make sure the animal processing plants were sanitary, because he feared the inspectors took bribes and let filth and germs exist in those dead animal processing plants. But Edwin continued to eat fish and eggs, which skyrocketed the amount of bad cholesterol in his body, and he kept having strokes, particularly when he tried to have sexual relations with his girlfriends. Guru Govinda Singh Dhillon said, "Life is not worth living without love making, without love making, without making love." And Edwin kept trying to make love to his girl, and he had a stroke that killed him. Guru Govinda Singh Dhillon said, "We can't live without pleasure. Have the pleasure of eating colorful, tasty, raw fruits and vegetables, rennetless cheese, butter, and milk. Marry a satsangi, a follower of a perfect living master." Michelle is a satsangi. "And you be good to her, and stay married to her, and have a healthy sex life. Come together and live forever, making love together, tickling her clitoris, feeling what it feels. Immense pleasure to the touch of a gentle soul." And Edwin Birdsong died of a stroke because he thought he could live eating dead animals and fish and eggs. Eggs are the period of the hen, like the menstrual period of a woman. All right, so that's why he died. Thank you for listening and watching.